I'm sharing 5 things you should know about this Willow Glen house at 1829 Bird Avenue, and I'll share my prediction for the final sales price at the end. Number 1, the seller overpaid in 2023. This owner probably paid about $90,000 too much when they bought this place a couple years ago. The finishes and square footage are appealing, but only if you're comparing it to higher quality homes built in the 1970s. This home is a typical post-war 1950s built home that is notorious for being built as cheaply as possible with little attention to details or design. It doesn't matter what zip code you're in, this type of housing stock is always cheaper than others. Yes, I know the photos look good, but even the advertised zero brand HVAC system and other updates made by the seller were chosen based on the cheapest price. This brand is on par with Midea from China, not Carrier or Train. Number 2, it's on a busier street. Bird Avenue isn't a quiet side street. It connects parts of the neighborhood and you see a lot more car traffic. You can feel it when you're standing out front. Number 3, there's a real risk traffic could get worse. Any agent trying to close this deal will tell you that's unlikely, but I think about these scenarios like this all the time. Let me tell you this. What if the mobile home park at the south end of Bird Avenue sells someday? It's a big lot. A developer could put up an 8-story mixed-use project with retail, bringing more traffic and changing traffic patterns. That's a real possibility and something to factor in. Number 4, the layout misses a key opportunity. Putting on my flipper's hat, this house would be worth more if they converted the garage into a 4th bedroom instead of leaving these oversized common areas. An extra bedroom fills a real need for families in this market. And number 5, overall, I would say 1681 Parkside Avenue, which is also currently in the market at the same list price, is the better buy in this price range. Here's the deal. I tell you, this Bird Avenue home is overpriced. Fair market value is around $1.65 million. Sure, it's cleaned up nicely, and the bigger square footage might attract a buyer who thinks it's cheap for Willow Glen. But traffic is always going to work against your value here. And you got to remember, you only got 5,100 square foot of lot here, and that's small for this area. If you're okay with that trade-off, I'd say don't offer more than $1.65 million, or you're going in with potential negative equity from day one. I share this because prices around here are tricky, so most agents have trouble with list prices too. If I see that, I know you're seeing it too. Just a comment on seller strategy here. The current list price does not position the home well for sale with other current market offerings. Because the appeal of this house is not as broad as 1681 Parkside, for example, I would have listed this house $100,000 less at $1.59 million to try to attract more eyeballs to build some leverage on the sell side. See if I can get someone distracted and emotionally attached enough to the finishes and size for multiple offers and higher offers. If you're buying or selling and want clarity on what homes will actually close for, like, subscribe, or share for more content like this. I'm posting my full record online. See you next time.